Okay, I got a birdhouse project here I built, and this is a Old West frontier style cabin birdhouse. This is all handmade, and I got this on a post in my backyard. As you can see, the post, which is set in concrete and set in the ground, and I put a level on it so it's perfectly level, so it doesn't wobble or anything. And I've just put this on here with a couple of L brackets, which are screwed in. And this whole birdhouse is plywood that's been treated with oil stain to resist the elements. And I just kind of tinkered this together. The windows are painted aluminum, thin sheet, and there's a side window. And the little side corral is just built on, and the whole thing is hot glue gun together, believe it or not. There's a few places I use small brad nails, but attaching the roof to the main body. And everywhere it's been reinforced with these little braces so it doesn't come apart or anything. And for the roof I used old scrap asphalt with a granule on it, so it does have a real roof, so it's waterproof. And my wife really liked it, and so did I, and the birds do use this. They seem to enjoy it, to maybe get all the elements or whatever. And birdhouse projects are always great way to spend your time, nice hobby. And you can look up online all different kinds of birdhouse projects. This one took very little time, and then I put the stain on it. I think I let it dry overnight. And this post I spray painted to protect it. And it's just 2x4s put together. Real cheap, easy project for your long winter months or whenever. Thanks for watching.